What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And we're fishing. Right now I'm just getting everything ready, pretty much. Boat's a little bit dirty. We've been pond fishing and kind of just laid everything here, and I've never had a chance to clean it up. So yeah, just getting ready. Got some stuff from Bass Pro. This I'll show you. Some jigs, some big TRDs for shaky heads, and also a little bit longer Sinkos for shaky heads, and also these trailers because my brother lost a pack that I told him to hold on to when we were on a boat ride. Somehow he still lost them, but yeah, just gonna go pretty much, I wouldn't say clean, just organize everything and then cover up the boat. They're gonna go out on the water. So yeah, see ya. All right, guys, we're good to go. Got the boat covered up, organized everything. Took a while, but got it done. Probably be throwing some shaky heads, some jigs, demikis if we can find shad, which I'm sure we will. I don't know if I will turn on the live scope though, because we did pretty good without turning it on last tournament, which was last weekend. We're gonna fish the same spots we did pretty much. Our best spot was Mill Creek, so we're gonna launch right by there. And then there's a cove right by Mill Creek that we'll also fish. Well, actually there's two coves that are pretty good right by Mill Creek. So stay around that area. I don't plan on making a run. So yeah, it's raining pretty good right now. It's coming in waves. It's not really raining that bad right now. But it's been like this for today, yesterday, and at night 2 days ago. Yeah. Well, yeah. So yeah, the water's gonna be up. I don't think they're letting out water, and even if they were, it wouldn't be able to keep up with all this rain. Water probably was gonna cool down, even though it's getting hotter. You know, that rain's not cold, or that rain's not warm. It's gonna be cold. So yeah, that's gonna happen. Then the water's gonna get real muddy, probably. I really don't know much about what it's like after a big storm. That's just me guessing. So yeah, we're gonna be learning something new, which is always good. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a little windy. It might rain a little bit, maybe. If it's gonna rain, it should be at like 7 at night, 7 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna stop by a gas station, probably get up real early. I want to fish the morning bite. It's the best bite, obviously. So I stop by a gas station, fill the truck up, then we'll go fishing. All right, see you guys. All right, made out to the water. Water's a little bit colder than last weekend. It's still clear though. I thought it'd be dirty. Water came up a decent amount. Throw a little top water, see if that works. I don't know though. It might still be too early. Just gonna see. Hopefully create a pattern for next weekend. See ya.
Solid? Oh, yeah.
Little one.
Oh, I don't
Jerkbait.
Got one.
It's 3 times in a row he caught.
It's a small little largemouth. Bro, look at his head.
Yeah, he's coming.
It's a little small spot.
Record. Luke forgot to press record, but literally in that dock where he's fishing. Look how fat he is though. I've seen a couple fat spots. I don't know if this guy takes the cake, but he's definitely up there.
I feel small. Oh, he's not bad. Maybe. It's a small spot. He's really short, but like wide.
No way, bro. What? Hold on, dude. No, I literally caught a fish scale. Bro, that is insane.
He doesn't seem bad.
Oh, Luke's catching him while I'm scoping.
He's a smallmouth.
Oh. Get in the bag, bro. Oh my God. Finally got one. Well, finally got a keeper. 271. Was looking for shad. Finally got one. It took us a minute.
How much was it?
266. Same ball of shad. Looks like the same fish. Hopefully it was a bunch more of them.
You like jumped. Is he nice?
You look like
Ow!
14 3/4. Just found like a school of bass pretty much. Just keep catching. Alright guys, finished the day off with 2 keepers. I'd say 10 fish maybe. I think it was 9. Maybe 10, I'm not sure. One of those 2. It was alright. I spent some time just kind of working with live scope and side scan. Kind of trying to better understand it, you know. I'm not the best in my electronics, and electronics is probably one of the most important things in your boat, so just trying to dial that in. So I spent a couple hours kind of side scanning and then dropping the live scope. So I better understood it, so that's always good. And then I ended up finding a nice ball of shad and catching 3 fish at the end, which 2 of them were keepers. So yeah, that was pretty nice. They were both solid. I think it was like 5.5 pounds for both of them. So we did decent. I mean, we caught a bunch of fish. We didn't do great tournament wise, but we caught a lot of fish, so I'll take it. Let me show you real quick. Caught, I don't know, a handful of fish on this right here. It's a little shaky head with a PB&J Cinco. It's that right there. Caught one with the same thing, just green pumpkin. Caught one with a crankbait. He was really small, so it doesn't really matter. Same thing with jerkbait. He wasn't exactly that small, but check out what happened. That's not good. I guess I'll kind of show you how it happened. Honestly, I don't know exactly how it happened. My brother was like messing in the back. But I mean, you kind of tell right there how it happened. It's up like that. I'm guessing he probably closed it. And boom, the rod snapped. And I've actually done that before with that exact same rod. Well, it's a different rod. It's the exact same type of rod though. So yeah, hopefully he learned to not do that again. But yeah, it was alright. And then we caught those 2 keepers on this right here. A little 1/4 ounce. I think these were the Yum forward facing sonar jig heads. And then I think it's called scope shad from Gary Yamamoto. I like that because it's more of like a threadfin shad looking bait, and that's what the shad we were throwing in was. You know, if it was like gizzard shad or something, I'll probably throw something a little bigger, like a freeloader. If it's kind of normal shad, I'll throw a forgot it. Oh, Jogo minnow from 6 cents. So yeah, it was alright. The fish that were not on bait were probably like 10, 5. I'd say 3 to 7 feet deep probably. So yeah, it was alright. I got a tournament next weekend, so hopefully we can do a little better than we did today. Yeah, that's about all I got. You know, it was about to rain when we left, so we had to leave a little early. We're gonna watch a movie, so should be a pretty nice night. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a good rest of your day. Peace.